This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Charles Woolley. Nestled in the rolling hills of this upscale subdivision, this grand executive home is easy to fall in love with. It has 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms spread over some 3,700 square feet of living space. It comes with a comprehensive appliance package including washer and dryer, crown molding, hardwood floors, extensive storage and a wood-burning fireplace are but a few of the upgrades that sets this home apart. Closets galore. The screened-in porch with its built-in bar and second refrigerator are bonuses you would not normally expect to find. Since the property is on an oversized lot of more than half an acre and backs up to a golf range, your privacy is assured. The property is professionally managed, and the rent includes lawn care, which makes for carefree living. One can go on and on trying to list the merits of this home and still not do it justice. It needs to be seen to be appreciated, so hurry, make an appointment before it's too late. Sorry, no pets. For more information, review the details below or contact Charles Woolley at 954-693-0100.